This is what the hairline looks like, and it is set as a middle part, which I believe you can part it on the side as well. So let's see construction. Yeah, so this is a pre-cut lace, and this is what the lace looks like against my skin. Really nice. As you can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked. The knots are bleached, and you don't have to cut off in the lace details because I'm not really sure. It looks like a 5x5, but I could be wrong. Yeah, it looks like a 5x5, but if I'm wrong, I will leave it on the screen. But I'm pretty sure that's what that is. This is pretty. I might just not wear a stocking cap. Let's see what this wig is doing. So far, so good. I feel like the fit is really nice. And I don't have anything adjusted at this point. Oh my gosh, like this wig is pretty. She is cute. This is what the hairline is looking like. Really nice. But you can give yourself a side part. And it's pretty off to the side, so. Or you can always shift the wig, like if you want it, if you want your part deeper. But this is cute. This is what we looking like. I actually love the fit of this wig. It's really, really nice. Alright, so right now this has to be at least like 80% dry. So I might come back when it's fully dry, but right now this is what it looks like, and I think that these curls are beautiful. A great density, not too much going on. And as you can see, it was an easy application. I didn't do anything to the hairline. I didn't apply powder. The only thing I did was define the part a little bit more. And the curls, define the curls, but that's it. So if you are interested in this wig, like I said, all the links will be left in my description box. But y'all, she is really pretty. Really cute.